Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. And my name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. We are back after 3 days of trading holidays. So before we go ahead into this podcast, I'd like to state that disclaimer very clearly, which is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the daily chart taken from our website. If you look at the last 1 week or so, Nifty has been trading in a very narrow range and it is trading very close to what it's 21 and 50 DMA, which are very close to the current market price as well. So going forward as well, these two levels are going to be very crucial for the index, and Nifty closing above these levels is a which is what we want as an investors. But if that level is breached on higher volume, we might see some more selling happening in the markets. Coming to the market status, we are in confirmed uptrend with a distribution day count of 4, and one distribution day is set to expire after the end of today's session. So hopefully, if the market stays in the positive, or if the Nifty doesn't decline 0.2% or more in the today's session, will our distribution day count will decline to 3, which is safe to uh, navigate. Otherwise, if the distribution day count increases further from here and the Nifty doesn't reclaim 50 DMA from here, definitely we are going to take it as a negative sign, and we are going to downtrend, that is change the market status from confirmed uptrend to under pressure. In such a scenario, our additions will be on the not so much aggressive, and only positive and strong breakouts will be taken into consideration. And talking about model portfolio, we'll look into stocks which are moving sideways to book out profits. And if the stock, if there is any stock breaching or trading near its key moving averages, we'll consider exiting them as well. Some of the companies which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session are first is Hero MotoCorp, which is the largest two-wheeler manufacturer, is looking to increase its ex-showroom prices by around 1% starting from today, and amount of quantum of rate hike will be dependent on the model. Kalpataru projects, along with its international subsidiaries, have received new orders almost amounting to 1,016 crores of rupees. And these orders include a transmission and distribution business order of 552 crores as well. JSW Infra IPO, which was opened last week, has received a very good response from the investors, starting from retail to institutional investors, and the stock will start trading on the exchanges from today. Analysts are expecting a premium listing for this stock. And Rail Vikas Nigam has received an order by bidding for the development and distribution infrastructure project in Himachal Pradesh. And the overall project is estimated around almost 700 crores of rupees. And this is to be executed within a period of 2 years. Ultratech Cement has come up with the business update for the September quarter, and the consolidated sales during the quarter increased 15% year-on-year basis to 26.7 million tons. ONGC is looking into investing around almost $20 billion to set up 2 petrochemical projects in India. This can be either the independent investment or in partnership investment with other companies. The company's chairman and CEO Arun Kumar Singh talked about this investment and future prospects about the company, which are positive. Talking about the global update during the weekend, we are seeing mixed closing from the US market. Dow Jones in the negative territory, whereas S&P and Nasdaq closed with positive bias. Asian markets, we are only Nikkei is trading today, and other two major indices, Kospi and Shanghai, are still in holiday session. So Nikkei is trading in the negative territory with a decline of 1.2%. GIFT Nifty is also indicating a slightly muted to or negative bias opening for the Indian index, Nifty index, and if that lower opening is sustained and the Nifty falls further from there, and the volume also increases than compared to the yesterday's session, that is the Friday session, then we might consider as a distribution day. Otherwise, if the Nifty, even though if it opens on the negative side, if it finds buying momentum during the session, and if the 50 DMA is reclaimed or if it doesn't breach 50 DMA, then it is going to be a positive sign for the Nifty. For the chart of we picked the jacket here. This is looking very good. Currently, it is trading in a stage 2 base, and it is just 3% of its pivot. Ratings wise, it is looking very good. You can see EPS of 81, RS rating is at 78, accumulation distribution rating is at A minus, which are very positive. And number of funds invested in the company has seen a consistent growth over the quarters, which is also a positive sign. Base formation is very solid. You can see volume completely dried up during the base formation, and when the stock rallied towards the pivot, the volume also increased, which is again a positive sign. Overall, base formation ratings wise, overall on constant parameters, it is looking very good, and the Nifty stays in a constructive or in a bullish momentum. Definitely, if we are to add a stock to portfolio, this is going to be definitely one of the contender to add it to portfolio. And if you're also looking for fresh additions to your portfolio, you can consider JK on the breakout on higher value. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.